this is Slushy Plushy 711 here, and today I want to do something a bit different. I want to draw, like draw. I know it's different from what we've done before, but we're going to do it. So I'm kind of in the mood for drawing a dog, so let's start by drawing the head. It's not a perfect circle, but I'll go with it. Then we're going to color this in. So I did that, and now I'm going to do the ears. And one ear here. I'm going to make this a bit bigger just to color in the ears. And so, that's done, and now I'm gonna do the eyes like this, and do this. That's bad. There you go. That looks good. And now I'm going to do orange. Actually, no, black for the nose. Like this. Oh, that's bad. Like this. That's way better. And then go like this. With a red tongue. Don't do that. I don't want to do that. That's good. Now we'll outline it. Just like that. Now we're going to continue the body with this magnificent brown color. We're going to do the body just like this. We're going to color it in. And that's done, and we're going to outline this part so it'll look neat. The outlining part is always hard, and there, perfect. Now we're going to do the tail. I think I wanted to do the legs first, but I just like the tail part for some reason. Just gonna make a little thing right there so it looks cute. And like that. Perfect. Now let's do the legs. And I've done the legs. It looks like a wiener, but that's okay. It looks cute. I kind of want to do shadings. I don't know why. I don't really know how to do shadings, but I'm going to give it a go. But first we have to do the pink bottom ears. Of course, every dog has that. So let's do the shading with some darker brown. And that seems to look nice. Just want to make it bigger. So it'll look nicer and neater. So there you go. There's our dog. Looks pretty cool. So to not get anyone confused, I'm actually gonna write dog. Dog. right here. Here's our dog. Looks pretty cute. Bye.